Hi everyone. I hope you all are preparing for SAT and it's going pretty well. Do let me know if you have any hard questions or any doubt because I am taking doubts from different platforms already, and you can check out our playlist where I have given you the full course on Desmos as well as the most repeated questions. Trust me, I am new on YouTube, but I am an SAT tutor, especially math, from last 7 years, and I have tackled many questions. I have helped many students to in SAT, and I'm here now to all the students out there who are struggling in finding the right platform, finding the right resources, and also guidance is very important. Once again, I would say whatsoever questions we are doing here, each and every question is important. So please go through it one, two, three times right after watching the video. I can bet you these are going to help you for sure if you are appearing for SCT this year. Now, in these hard questions series, I am taking, as I already told you, I'm taking the questions from different platforms. Students are posting their doubts. You can mail me directly if you have any questions. You can click a picture, send it on my mail. You can go to the bio. Already there is a mail ID. You can go through it. You can join our WhatsApp channel for more such amazing tips. And if you need any document for the upcoming SAT, some practice questions, latest questions that were repeated in SAT August, September, do let me know. Coming to the hard questions, today's hard questions. So, we are going to discuss two important questions where most of the students struggle. But if you like the way I told you the method of solving it, do let me know in the comment section. And if you have any suggestion, how can we make this question easy, do let me know that as well in the comment section, because not only you, there are number of students who are watching this video. It will be helpful for them as well. It's not always that teacher only gives you the right method or the easy method. You as a student can also explore. Okay, do subscribe it if you're new to the channel, and do share it with all the other the people who are giving SAT this year, so that they can make use of it. Coming to the first hard question, so let's try this. For the function f, for each increase in the value of x by c, where c is a positive integer, positive constant, the value of fx increases by the factor of 27. Which of the following equivalent forms of function f displays 1 by c as a constant constant of x? Two things you need to remember here. First, what is given and what are they asking? What is given? They are saying that if x increases by c, function f of x increases by 27. It should be a factor of 27. Okay, it increases by the factor of 27. And in the question, also they are asking to check that option that displays the value of x as the coefficient of x as 1 by c. Means whatever value of c you are taking, let's say if you are taking x equals to c, x equals 6, then the function, in the function, coefficient of x should be 1 by 6. Let's check that out. In the first option, if you put x equals c 6, let's say, because I took c as 6, you can take any variable. Okay, so if I take it as 6, so here 48, 3 raised to the power 1 by 2, what is x? Can I take 6 times 6? So what is it? 3 raised to the power 3. It is giving you it is a factor of 27, but coefficient of x is not 1 by 6, right? Let's check the second one. 48 3 raised to the power 3 1 by 6x. Now here if I put, already it is showing one coefficient of x is 1 by 6. So my first thing is clear, it is displaying coefficient of x as 1 by 6. What about the factor? So if I put x as 6, 48 3 raised to the power 3, and this is 6, which is 1 3 raised to the power 3, it is giving you 27. That means it is showing you the factor of 27. It is increases by the factor of 27. So option B will be my answer. Even in these options you cannot see 1 by 6, right? If you see 1 by 6 here you can see, but it will not give you the answer. It is not increasing. If you have any other method, do let me know in the comment section. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 2. The exponential function f is defined as f of x a b raised to the power x, where a and b are positive constant. If f of n minus 1 equals f of n plus 41 over 100, f of n minus 1, where n is a constant, what is the value of b? Now here there are two ways of doing this question. First, replace x with n minus 1 and find out, put the values, right? But that is little confusing. I think that might be confusing for you. Do let me know in the comment section, is method 1 is okay, replacing x with n minus 1, so that you will find function. What is f of n minus 1? A raised to the power b n minus 1. What is f of n? A b raised to the power n. What is n minus 1 again? The same. So you will plug in the values and then try use exponential rules and find out the answer. But I would suggest plug in any value of n, because they are saying n is a constant and they have not defined n. So you can take n as 1. If you take n equals 1, this becomes f of 0, f of 1 plus 41 over 100 f of 0, right? Now from here you can, in this function you can plug in f of 0. What is f of 0? It is a, because b raised to the power 0 is not 0, it is 1. Okay, f of 1 would be ab. I'll just plug in the values, right? F of 0 is a, I'll write a equals, what is f of 1? ab. What is 41 over 100 f of 0 is a. Try to solve a both the sides. So I'll subtract 41 over 100 a both the sides. I will get a minus 41 over 100 a equals ab. Try to solve this. Once you solve it, you'll get 59 over 100 a and a will get cancelled, or you can divide by a both the sides. So what is b? b is 59 over 100, which is 0.59. I hope this makes sense. If you have any other solution for that is much easier than this, please do let me know in the comment section. And rest of you, do it once again after seeing this video. Do watch it again, but pause the video, don't see the solution, try to do it. If you get stuck, then you can continue. Even you can take the screenshot and take a note of all these important questions in one place. Thank you for watching.